Hello fashion lovers, welcome to Mavic Royal Apparel Online Fashion School. Today I'll be teaching you how to fix the invisible zipper or how to install the invisible zipper. But before I go into the tutorials, I would like to say a very big welcome to those who are joining us for the very first time. I'd like to say a very big welcome to you. Please kindly subscribe, like, share and click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video you'll be notified. So let's go straight into the tutorials. So the first thing I'm going to do is to change my machine foot. I'm going to be removing this foot to change it into a different one, which is this one. As you can see, it's different. It has just one foot, unlike this one that has double foot. So having done that, I'm going to change it now to the single foot, which I'm going to be using to fix the invisible zipper. Okay, so I've just done that. So now I'm going to use this fabric as the dress I'm working on, just for the purpose of illustration. So I'll sew here down. Now, having sewn this place is going to serve as where I'm going to fix my invisible zip. So I just want to create a line here just as a guide. So this is the front of my fabric. So I'm going to place my invisible zip right side of the zip facing the fabric. Then I'll sew. Always make sure that your invisible zip is open. And I'll place it. Opening your invisible zipper before sewing is the secret of fixing a good invisible zip. So I'll just make sure I follow the line I created as a guide. And just do this gently. Come out with a good result. Make sure you don't exceed this part that you sewed too much. So I'll just reverse my machine at this point. So I'll just flip it over to the other side this way, and then place it like this. You can see, make sure that it's straight. Then I continue sewing. We're almost getting to the end of this tutorial. As you can see, it's very simple. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Very simple. So this brings us to the end of our tutorial. Thanks for watching. Before we end it, I would just like to take off all these threads and show you the outcome of our work. So I'll just pull this out this way. As you can see, the invisible zip came out perfectly. can see this, very neat. You see this, very beautiful. So thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial. Bye bye.